I have great news. After our kickoff of the Vibe Coding Cologne event, I was so pumped, to see 70 people pushing this topic, and I want to continue to contribute. This is why I've set up a 4-part workshop series starting next Wednesday on July 9th. And the first batch is going to be completely for free, so you can sign up. I have 30 seats reserved for people who want to join for free, and you can learn vibe coding in a so much faster way than I needed to go through it in the last 9 months, that I'm jealous I didn't have these workshops. It's clearly designed for people who haven't even written a line of code. But if you're a developer and you want to get into like a right cursor setup, see cursor rules and all of that, that is interesting for you as well. But if you're a founder or a marketer and thought, finally, I want to be able to write code on my own, I don't actually want to learn to code, I just want to talk to an AI and it does it for me, this is the workshop series for it. Yeah, you can find it on the Pirate Skills page under events and Vibe Coding Lab. Vibe Coding Cologne is our offline monthly meetup on the topic. Vibe Coding Lab are the online workshop series. And what you will learn is in part 1, how to actually set up all of the tools. The main tool we are going to use is Cursor, an AI-assisted IDE where you can see code, but you need to learn how to set it up, to get a project up and running. We use Next.js to build a website, and it will be live on the web at the end of the workshop, I promise. Yeah. Second workshop is going to be, okay, you now know the basics, you had some time to learn between the 9th and the 23rd, and you want to learn a bit more fancy stuff, like how do I use a database, how do I authenticate users, how do I do a Stripe checkout, how do I build forms, how do I improve my developer workflow. That is that. And then the third workshop is where we adding automations and AI agents to your web app with the help of a tool called N8N, and connect those. And in the last, we will build like a full stack project that you can set up live that is actually going to be valuable, like a quiz landing page that assesses your customers or that is interesting for the users that you have, and build that out so it's ready and you can continue your work after the workshop series. All you need to do to get access to this is to click on this registration button. If you are already logged in, it's a one-click experience. If not, you can sign up with Google or your email address. And I promise you, in Q3, all of these workshops are going to be free. After that, €1,000, which I still think is a steal. I would have paid this any day to shortcut my learning curve of the last 6 months into something like 6 weeks. Yeah, and that's my main intention with you. I have built this whole page on Pirate Skills. I built a custom AI chatbot that allows you to choose your own models, that understands your business context. All of this didn't exist 6 months ago, and I didn't know how to code. And I'm going to comprise all of this knowledge into a workshop series for you. And because you're going to be my lab rats, I'm going to do this for free in Q3. And after that, it's going to be $1,000. So join now. 30 seats are available. Be there at the live sessions when you register. Yeah, I hope that's cool for you, and you can tell your friends about it and invite them as well. And if we need more slots, talk to me and I'll open some more. Yeah, if that is possible. Hope that's awesome. See you then. Bye-bye.